Next question, let us start. A Limited is considering rupees 50 crore 3 years interest rate swap. The company is interested in borrowing at floating rate of interest. However, due to its good credit rating, it has a comparative advantage over lower rated companies in the fixed rate market. It can borrow at fixed rate of 6.25% or floating rate MIBOR plus 0.75%. MIBOR stands for Mumbai Interbank Offer Rate. Presently the MIBOR is 5.25, but it is expected to change in 6 months due to political situation in the country. X Limited and Intermediary Bank agreed to arrange a swap. Swap means interchange. The bank will offset the swap risk with a counterparty called B Limited, a comparatively lower credit rating company, which could borrow at the fixed rate of 7.25% and floating rate of the MIBOR plus 1.25%. X Limited would charge an amount of rupees 9 lakhs per year as its fees, that is, so swap charges from each party, that is, from each company. Mr. Finn, the CFO, Chief Financial Officer of A Limited, desires that A Limited should receive 60% of any arbitrage savings, that is, before making payment of the fees from the swap, as A Limited enjoys high credit rating. Any fees paid to the bank are tax allowable. The applicable income tax rate is only 30%. You are required to evaluate whether the proposal is beneficial for both the parties or not. That is a question. I want all of you to give answer of the question. Not only going through the question, but give answer. Let us see, let's say, how to calculate the answer. Don't write anything, let me explain you. I have written the information. A Limited is considering borrowing an amount of rupees 50 crore for a time period of 3 years. The company is interested in borrowing at the floating rate. So I have highlighted the floating rate. However, due to its good credit rating, it has a competitive advantage of over lower credit rating company. Fixed rate का borrowing दे रखा है, it is 6.25 and the floating rate is MIBOR plus 0.75. Mumbai Interbank Offer Rate plus 0.75. Presently the MIBOR is 5.25, but it is expected to change in 6 months due to the political situation in the country. X Limited is an intermediary bank, agreed to arrange a swap. The bank will offset the swap risk with B, a comparatively lower credit rated company, which could borrow at the fixed rate 7.25. And of course, friends, that B has to borrow. B must be in the need of the funds and it wants to borrow at the fixed rate. Otherwise, say this swap arrangement cannot be made. And the floating rate of interest borrowing is MIBOR plus 1.25. Fees is 9 lakh rupees per annum from each. And information is given that say A wants to have advantage of 0.6 and B will have the residual 0.4. The question is that the tax rate is 30%. Evaluate whether the proposal is beneficial to each of them or not. I am just giving explanation to you. Don't write anything. We understand that the step number 1 is like this. A Limited and B Limited. It is MIBOR plus 0.75 and for B Limited it is 7.25. So the total interest payment would be MIBOR plus 8%. Okay. They will do reverse. A Limited will borrow at fixed rate 6.25 and B Limited will borrow at floating rate M plus 1.25. So the total interest burden is M plus 7.5. So what is the savings of interest? Savings of interest is 0.5%. Okay, you can compare this. We understand that say the A limited and B limited. A limited will get the savings of 0.3 because 60% will be calculated. And this is 0.2. Okay. Now friends, dear students, the amount of the borrowing is given an amount of 50 crore. So you can use a calculator. 50 crore into 0.3 percentage. So it is 0.15 crore. So that comes to an amount of 15 lakhs. And over there, so it is 50 crore into 0.2 percentage. That is 0.10 crore, that is 10 lakhs. So that is the savings of the interest that say they would have. The savings is 15 lakhs for each of them, and the fees is an amount of 9 lakhs. The amount of the fees is 9 lakhs, which is lower than the savings of 15 lakhs and 10 lakhs. So the proposal is beneficial for each of them.